welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're looking at Milerd HiStand Dosimeter. I have worked with Milerd before and I have reviewed one of their fruit and vegetables detoxifier, which was really brilliant. So super excited to do the review on one of those. For all of you not aware, the Dosimeter is pretty much like a portable Geiger counter, and I think, bearing in mind what's currently going on in the world, it is not a bad thing to have in your preps. So this little unit, it is very tiny unit. It is portable, it is shockproof, it's IP66 waterproof. It does have a solar battery, which is absolutely brilliant. That means that unit could really measure in your background radiation for up to 30 days. It does have a lot going for it, guys. So without further ado, let's open up the box. So let's guys open it up and I'll show you what it comes with in the box. So first of all here, okay, it comes with a manual. It is very good, guys, because you actually get to see a little diagram here which tells you what each part of the unit is, and it gives you here a general information. And on the other side, which I think is absolutely brilliant, you actually have your little pictures that explain everything you need to know. So if you haven't used one of those before, it just tells you everything right here in pictures, and it makes it very easy to understand. So next thing, guys, in here we can see we have a unit by itself. Okay, it's very compact, but we'll come back to that one in a minute. It comes with a little clip, okay, and you have yourself a little strap. The beauty of this as well, guys, if I unclip that, look at that. This is a USB Type-C charging cable for the unit, which is, I think, is absolutely a genius idea. You keep it there, you'll never lose this, and it's always with you. It is absolutely brilliant. So let's get the unit up and have a closer look. As you can see, it is very compact. It does have a really nice finish to it. It is, after all, waterproof and shockproof unit, so you can use this in any harsh environment. On the top here, guys, you do have your USB Type-C charging port, and of course you have your little rubber plug to sort of cover it to keep it watertight. On the side here, this is where you put your little lanyard. Okay, underneath here you have yourself two buttons, which means you can operate the whole unit just by two buttons, making it really easy. And underneath here we have the little measuring surface. Okay, this is actually the one that measures the radiation. And the beauty of this unit here, guys, it does have a built-in solar panel. That means that this unit can keep itself going for up to 30 days, which is absolutely brilliant. So now let's show you the display. So I've put this on, and this is the main display, okay? Because this is a cumulative measuring device, okay? It constantly measures your surrounding environment. So as you can see here, we're actually quite low because we're not really anywhere near the radiation area. So our thing here, it sort of measures between 10 and 15, okay? So two buttons here, as I've mentioned, it literally goes left and right. So very simple. So in here, guys, okay, this is the dosage. So you can actually set yourself limit, okay? You can set your daily limits if you wanted to, okay? Going back. So next thing here, guys, it shows statistics. After all, because it's constantly measuring, the idea is it literally accumulates statistics for the week. So you can actually check back on any days if you wanted to. Okay, scrolling through here, we have time and date, which is easily set. So you just press the button, hold it down, and you've got your options to set the hours, minutes, and days. As you can see, guys, it's so easy to operate. You just use this with two buttons, and it's very straightforward. Here, guys, you've got the energy. So you have yourself the bottom one, which just tells you the battery life. So we have 75%. And on the top, it gives you a solar efficiency. So at the moment it's on 0.8% because we're nowhere near the sunshine, but it is absolutely brilliant. So you can actually see how much power you're taking in. Okay. And then last bit here, we have settings. So click on that here. You can change yourself the units of measure if you wanted to. Okay. You can put sound on and off if you wanted to again. And of course you can have a light indication if you wanted to. Okay. So again, guys, and you've got the reset button. It is very straightforward. We reached the end, guys, so you can go backwards through the buttons there, and it takes you to a main page. So after all, guys, it is, as I've mentioned, it's very, very easy. It is super intuitive how to use that. So let's put that to test. Here we are. It is currently on 8. It does fluctuate a little bit. So let's now bring on the radiation. So here I have a uranium glass. It is more glass than uranium. However, the levels are still fairly high. So if I now put the unit next to that, okay, we're still monitor here, we're still in green, guys, and you'll see in a minute that it's starting to register the radiation. The number is starting to go up. So now, guys, you can see it is reached and it's actually gone orange. So that indicates to us that it is potentially not a great place to be for a very long time. Okay, that at the same time, so look, it's gone to 63. That orange will indicate, guys, on your daily dosage. So if you do, or if you have been around the radiation for a very long time at that sort of level, it will change color. And after you reached your daily unit that you set, okay, it will sound you an alarm, and obviously that little emblem here will become red. So as you can see, guys, it is working pretty well and pretty fast. And because I've mentioned, guys, it is constantly measuring, okay, this is why the levels are going up and down a little bit, but nonetheless, we can clearly see that it's doing a really good job. So, guys, that's that. You've seen how easy, how intuitive it is to use. And the best part of all, guys, it only weighs 100 grams. So after testing this for a little while, I definitely must say, guys, this is a must-have for any prepper. I'll put the links down below where to purchase that. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye-bye.